Hello, 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 and welcome to another DIY. My name is Sandrine. Hi. So, in today's video, as you guys can already see by the title, we are going to be making this really cute, fluffy skirt. I've already made this before, but this time I'm going to be making it on top of a denim jeans. Not denim jeans. Denim skirt. So all you're gonna need is skirts or any denim item that you have, some tulips, some needle and thread, and a scissors, and that's basically all you're gonna need. So right now I got this tulip from Amazon for I think $4 or $5. I'm not too sure, but I know that it was really cheap. So all I'm doing is just cutting it to wherever length I want it to be. I want it to be like a little medium length over the knee, kind of flowy. So I'll cut it a little bit longer. So all I'm going to do now is just to pin it on where I want it to be. And then just keep doing that. But I didn't actually stick to doing this because I realized that it would be taking a really long time. And I didn't just like the plain color. I wanted something colorful. So while I was doing this, I saw the tulip skirt that I made like a while back ago in my closet. So I decided, why not just add in all those colors? Just pull them off, add them in, and just start sewing them on. So now I'm just poofing it out because it has been sitting in there for probably a few months, probably a year, because I made this a while back ago. But that's how it's looking. If you guys want to see how I made that, just click the link below because I will list it. It's really easy. So this is where all the fun begins, sewing them on. I thought that it would take a really long time, but I just went through this really quick, like 2 threads in, just knot it up, and just like that I was finished. It was super easy. I just started sewing it on the softest spot. Just not on top, but obviously know like where you can put your hand into the pockets, the pocket area, so that it will look more cute and more flowy since the skirt is high-waisted. So, I got the skirt from Hollister. Yep. Now this is basically like the whole video of me just sewing. You can make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want. The way how I'm doing it is just sewing them one by one on. But if you want it to be thick, just pile them up, like add in 3 colors and then just sew that on. And it'll be nice and thick and full and flowy. But I wanted mine to be thin so yeah, you can see the skirt. You can see the skirt right through it. And it just be cute. So you can just pose up in it. You guys are going to see at the end what I'm talking about, but it turned out amazing. I am so happy I decided to make this. So this is the final product. I got a top from Amazon, as always. I am so happy with how the skirt turned out. It is so cute and so flowy. I can dance around in it and all of that. Like, this skirt is just amazing. I am so glad that I decided to make it. Like, look at that. Look at that leg action. I'm sorry that my mirror is such a mess. I tried to clean it, but it just wasn't working out. But this is the end of this video. I hope you love it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next DIY. Bye. Mwah.